Okay, Ledesma, here we are for another Free Choice Friday. It is now December, so we're going to make a nice snowflake, but we're going to make an extra special snowflake, not your ordinary one. This is going to be a six-pointed snowflake, and we're going to be using lots of symmetry to make this. It's going to be very symmetrical when we're done. This will go well anytime in December or January or February, any other winter months. So here we go. The first thing we're going to turn this rectangular piece of paper into a square. So we're going to take this top corner here and we're going to fold it down. We are going to end up with a nice point up in this corner. Okay, make a nice crease there. And we've now done that. And if we cut this piece off right here, we end up with a nice square instead of a rectangle. So once again, I took the top edge, folded it down here, made a nice point here, and I'm going to cut off the excess. Okay, so we're going to cut that piece off and set it to the side. All right, now once we do that, we now have a nice square piece of paper. So what we can do is fold it up to the top, okay, and you're going to turn that square into a triangle, and then you're going to fold it one more time, and you are going to end up with a second triangle. Okay, so now you take your triangle, and this is an isosceles triangle, right? Because these two side lengths are the same, and you are going to fold up 1/3 to make about a 30-degree angle right there. Okay, so you're going to fold it about 1/3 of the way up. Okay, and you're going to take this second piece here and fold it over to the best you can. You're going to try and cover as much of it as you can when you fold it over. Okay, then you flip your paper over, so you did that. Let me show you what I did again. So one more time here, right? You take your triangle, you fold it about 1/3 of the way over, making about a 30-degree angle there, and then you take this piece and fold it over this way. Okay, and so you cover the whole thing and then flip it over. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead and cut off at an angle this part right here. So take a look at what I just cut off, okay? Now that you've done that, you can go ahead and shape your snowflake, because once you open this up, you're gonna get a nice six-pointed snowflake. So I'm gonna cut some nice shapes out of here. Probably the more the merrier. You just don't want to cut the entire thing so that it falls apart, right? But I'm going to go ahead and cut some nice, neat shapes in here. I'm going to even cut the tip of it off like that. We'll go in along the other side, cut some of that off. Okay, and really you get to shape it the way you want to at this point. You just don't want to make a cut all the way down the folded side, or it will fall apart. So you do want to be careful not to cut too much in too many spots, right? All right, so here I am. I'm going to cut the tip off there. I'm going to go ahead and cut another little triangle there. Maybe I'll even do some just cuts like this without pulling pieces off to see what that ends up like once I open it up. Now that I have shaped my snowflake, it is ready to be opened and displayed. So open it carefully. It will kind of stick together a little bit, but you can see once you have done that, that you will end up, hang on, it's stuck together, with a six-pointed snowflake, right? That has lots of lines of symmetry on it. So there you go. That is your wintertime snowflake. If you want to make even more cuts, you can make even more of a design. It has 6 points on it. That's very rare. If you follow these directions, you can get a six-pointed snowflake, and you could cover your entire bedroom wall with these. So I hope you try it. I hope you share some of your snowflake designs with us, and post it to your teacher, post it in your Google Classroom or on your Kid Blog account. And I hope you have a great Friday and a happy Free Choice Friday. Bye.